Hello, this is Roshni Venugopal. You are 14 CS 121 and this is my lab experiment number 10 for system software and compiler lab. In this experiment we will be doing intermediate code generation. So what we are doing is an expression as input will be taken from the user and then it will be scanned from left to right. So as the arithmetic operations are encountered, it will generate one operation at a time will be performed, and it will what it will show is it will generate a 3 address code for the set of input. So let us see how that is done. So this is my program. In the program I have given an array of operators so that I can whenever the input statement in the pointer encounters a operator, it will do the three address code generation. And now I have also initialized what all are the values that I want to save my expressions in. So T0, T1, T2 up till T5 I have taken. Now let us see what we are doing. So first I will take input from the user and then I will save it in a string that is IN, and then I will split the string according to no space and save it in an array that is A. Here I have given 2 for loops. The outer for loop is for the array that contains my input, and the inner for loop is according to the operator set the operator input string array that I have given. So for this is done so that for each input I will check if it matches with the operator. Now here I'll show you. See, in this if statement it says like if A of I, that is when the for loop is iterated, whenever it is equal to an operator of J, that is whenever the second for loop is J. So whenever it encounters an operator, what it will do is, first of all, if count is equal to 0. So I have given a count so that I know if the operator that we are encountering is the first operator or not. Now if it is the first operator, it will take both the input from the array itself. So T0, the first output will be equal to A of I minus 1. I'll show you the output for this. And so T0 is equal to AI minus 1. So whatever is there before the operator, that will be printed, and A of I is the operator itself, and A of I plus 1 is the next operator, that is the second operator. So let us see how this works. Suppose 4 into 8 minus 9 plus 6. So here we can see that plus into is our first operator. That is why it will take as in the if condition I have given. If count is equal to 0, that is the first operator, then it will take both the input from the array itself, that is 4 and 8. So this will be printed. Else if count is greater than 1, then what it will do is it will n of count, that is it will print t of I, then it will print n of count minus 1, that is whatever is suppose in this situation it is count of 0. So count of 0 count is equal to 1, so count minus 1, that is n of 0 will be printed. Now n of 0 contains t0, so that will be printed, plus A of I is the operator itself, that is minus, that will be printed, and then afterwards A of I plus 1, that is the second operator from the input array will be taken. Now there we will increment the count so that we know that the operator that is encountered is not the first operator. So this is my experiment number 10. Thank you.